Do you have a crack like this that needs to be patched? The old traditional method was a liquid product and it's self-leveling. So if you have any slope on your driveway or sidewalk at all, when you squeeze that liquid in there, it'll settle to the low end and it'll run all over the place. I'm going to show you a better way. This product I found, Magic Crack Filler, is so easy to use. It stops weeds, it blocks ants and insects from coming up, and it seals the cracks so the water won't get in there causing further damage. Now the traditional preparation was taking your concrete crack, grinding it out. That's a lot of work. Cleaning out the residue, putting compressed air or a leaf blower or something in there, getting all the loose stuff out, and then you're finally ready to start applying the liquid product. This Magic Crack Filler is so easy to use, you won't believe it. If you have no experience at all, it doesn't matter. This product is made in the United States and it's a veteran-owned company. This is not a sponsored video, but I did put the affiliate link down in the description below. This product is so easy, a 9-year-old can do it. We did clean the crack out reasonably. We didn't go crazy with that because you'll find that this product will just sweep right into all the cracks and crevices. Now, if you have a really deep spot, you can put backer rod, which is just foam, or a cut up pool noodle or something like that first to seal. But this product is so easy, unlike the liquid. And then on the end, we did put a piece of tape just to prevent it from running all over into the yard. Now here we have a loose chunk, so that's just going to have to be sacrificed. We're going to get rid of that. Step 2, start sweeping it in the crack. The manufacturer says flush with the crack is fine. You don't have to get too picky here. So we're sweeping it in the joints. Now you can also use any kind of a straight edge and actually just drag that across, and that'll get you the same surface as the concrete. We're going to need more there. Now you just want to give it a little spritz of water. The manufacturer says you don't want to completely flood it. So if you get your garden hose, make sure it just has a gentle spray tip on the end. We're just going to use a spritzer here. Dampen it and then come back every 15 minutes or so and hit it again about 4 times. That will harden up sufficiently so you're not flooding it all at once. And then the manufacturer says in about 24 hours you can drive over it. Another benefit of the Magic Crack Filler I found is I think it's a better color match to the concrete. The liquid formulas, for me, it seems like it's just way off of the realistic color of old concrete. All right, so we're going to let that set per manufacturer's instructions. We're going to come back about every 15 minutes and wet it again. That moisture will seep all the way down and it will harden up. If it is a driveway, they said it's drivable in about 24 hours. If it's a walkway, I'm sure you're fine. Okay, it's setting up nicely now. I pushed on it. It's getting very firm. I'm going to give it one more spritz before this evening. Magic Crack Filler, what do you think? Tell me if you used it before or if you think you need to use it. I want to hear your questions. This product should last years. It's going to be really good color match to your old concrete. I'm very impressed with the color. Hey guys, I know you can do this one yourself. Future Larry here. This is 24 hours later. Testing how hard this concrete patch has cured. It's wonderful. It feels just as firm as the concrete and the color match is very good. This crack sealer is the real deal. I'm going to use this in the future again.